Good morning, students. I am your maths teacher for class 2. Okay. Today we are going to see Standard 2 Maths Unit 4 Measurement. Unit 4 Measurement. See, measurement length is two types. They are standard unit and non-standard unit. Standard unit and non-standard unit. Okay. See, standard unit means centimeter, meter, ruler. Centimeter, meter, ruler. Okay, ruler means scale. Okay, non-standard unit means hand span, cubit, foot span, pace. Hand span, cubit, foot span, pace. Okay, now see the measuring length. Okay, measuring length. See, the measurement do with the help of the body parts is called non-standard unit. Okay, see, first one, hand span. Hand span measured by tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. Okay, measured by tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger, that is hand span. Okay, the small object can be measured with the help of the thumb. For example, we can measure the length of the board or length of the book. Okay, next, cubit. Measured from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. Measured from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. We can measure the length of the rope and also length of the dhoti. Okay, that is cubit measured. Next, foot span. The measurement as an object using the foot is called the foot span. We can measure the length of the mat and also length of the gate using the foot span. Okay, next, last one is pace. A pace is distance covered by a step of a person. We can find the length of the cricket pitch and length of the classroom using the pace. Okay, now 4.1, measuring length using uniform non-stand tools. Okay, example, see page number 50. 4.1, measuring length using uniform non-standard tools. Okay, measuring length in a long jump ground. This is one of the example. In a school, they connecting the long jump. The boy is jump on the ground. Now they have to measure the length, how much he has jumped. Okay, see the picture. First, they are measuring the length using the foot span. Okay, the first boy measured with this foot span and said that is distance is 11 foot span. Okay, the second boy can the second boy came and measured the same distance with his foot span, and he said that the distance is 14 foot span. There is the different. You know why, children? Yes, the first boy would have measured the long foot and the second boy would have measured the short foot. So there is the difference in their measurements. Okay, what they have to do? They have to find the correct distance. They are using the stick to measure distance what that boy is covered. Yes, now he is covering the distance using stick. He said that jump distance is 3 sticks. Yes, the measuring distance is 3 sticks. And also, while the other boy is checking the distance with the sticks, he also got the same distance. Now, what is said that the 3 sticks is the lengthier boy would have jumped, so it is the uniform non-stance tools to measure the length. Okay, next page number 51. Let's learn how we have to measure the things using the other uniform non-stand tools. Example, the boy is saying that how many times of this eraser's length will be equal to the length of this pencil. Now we want to measure the length of the pencil with the eraser. How many times eraser will be equal to the pencil? One of the girl guessed it will be 5 times. In another girl guess it will be 3 times. Let's find whose guess will be correct. Okay. Now the boy started to measure the length of the pencil using the length of the eraser. Length of the pencil is 4 times length of the eraser. Okay, length of the pencil is 4 times length of the eraser. After measuring, the first girl saying here guesses very more in the measurement, right? The second girl said here guesses less in the measurement. Yes, you can also find the length of the object using in another object in your home. Okay, next see page number 52. Observe the measuring tools, guess and write the length of the real object by guessing. Then use the measuring tool and write the measured value. Okay? Okay. See the tabular column. First column is object to be measured. Second one measuring tool. Third one guess value. Fourth one measured value. Okay. The length of the table measure the length of the crayons. Okay, now we can find how many times the length of the table is more than the length of the crayons. Okay, similarly we can find the length of the board, measure the length of the duster or using the distance. Okay, we can find the length of the door with the box, pencil, crayons, duster, or the uniform, the non-stand units. Children, do this activity. Okay, ma? Next page number 53. Now we can match the length of the object to the squares. Okay, that is first one, the length of the pen. The length of the pen is equal to 4 squares. Okay, see the pen length and you color it in the square box and write it in the circle. Answer is 4. Okay, 4 square. So I added a number 4. Okay, next eraser. The length of the eraser is equal 1 square, right? Third one, box. The length of the box is equal to 5 square. How many square? 5 square. Okay, fourth one, pencil. The length of the pencil is equal to how many square? Yes, count, 4 square. Okay, last one, crayon. The length of the crayon is equal to how many square? 2 square. Okay. Okay, next observe the above table and answer the following questions. Okay, see the question, children. Which two objects have the same length? Which two objects the same length? Pencil and pen. Okay, that is 4 square. No, that both are 4 square, pencil and pen. Okay, Which is the longest object? Box. Which is the longest object? Box. What is the total length of the pencil and crayon? In pencil, 4 square plus the crayon is 2 square. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. What is the total length of the pencil and crayon? 6 square. Okay. Is the pencil box longer than the pencil? If yes, by how many square? Is the pencil box longer than the pencil? Yes. Isn't it? The pencil box longer than the pencil. Yes. By how many squares? How many squares longer a pencil box? 1 square. Okay. The pencil is 4 square. The pencil box is 5 square. So one more square is how many squares? One more square. Okay. One more square. Which is the shortest object? Eraser. Which is the shortest object? Eraser. Okay. Next. Think like a mathematician. Which among the given tools would be appropriate to measure the brim of the ground table? Children, you think that which tool will be appropriate to measure to be brim of round table? Whether you can measure the brim of the round table with the help of the rope or help of the pencil. Yes, we can measure the length of the round table with the help of the rope. Okay. Now we will see the standard unit for measuring length. We can find our height and also we can measure our cloths with the help of the standard units. 4.2 standard units of measuring length. Okay. See page number 54. We are going to see about centimeter. The short form is the short form for centimeter is cm. Okay, the short form of centimeter is cm. Centimeter stands for cm stands for centimeter, and this is called to measure shorter length. Okay, shorter length. See page number 55. You can see the centimeter is your short scale, isn't it? Short size scale. Okay, that is having in your geometry box, isn't it? You can see 1 2 3 like this. It is written in the scale. This is called. With the help of the centimeter, we can measure the length of the photo frame, textbook, box, etc. Okay. Next, meter. The short form for the meter is m. M stands for meter, and this is used to measuring object with the greater length. Okay. Okay, we can measure the length of the cloths, bench, board and buildings with the help of the meter scale. Okay. Now we will measure the object using the scale. See page number 56. 55. First we will measure the length of the crayons. See, while we are measuring, we have to place object at the zero place and we have count till we end, and that is we have to place 0. We have to count how many centimeter till the object end. That's the object cover. How many centimeter? 4 centimeter. So the length of the crayon is 4 centimeter. Next, the length of the pencil, we have a place, the pencil is 0 place, and we have to measure how many centimeter till the end of the object. Okay, its cover how many centimeter? 10 centimeter. The length of the pencil is 10 centimeter. Okay, next, now we will find the length of the straw. We have placed the straw the 0 place, and we have to measure how many centimeter till the end of this object cover. Its cover how many centimeter? 8 centimeter. The length of the straw is 8 centimeter. Next, comb. See, we have placed the comb in 0 place, right? And count how many centimeter the object is cover. Its cover how many centimeter? Yes, 12 centimeter. The length of the comb is 12 centimeter. Okay, see page number 56. Practice. Observe the picture in previous page and write the length of the object. One is done for you, isn't it? The comb is done for you. Next, after star, pencil and crayons, you have to do. Okay, and activity also you have to do. Okay, mom? In this unit, we learned about handspan, footspan, pace, cubit. Okay, this is non-standard unit. And also the standard unit is centimeter, meter and ruler. We also learned how to measure the length of the object using the scale. Okay, I hope you are understood. Okay, children, do the activity properly. Okay, thank you.